In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to a seller on Etsy. Whether you have a question about a product or need to clarify shipping details, reaching out to the seller directly can provide the answers you need. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Etsy's official website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials, which include your email address and password, and then click the Login button. Now that you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the seller or product you're interested in. Type the necessary keywords that pertain to what you're looking for, and press Enter. You should see a list of results corresponding to your search. Browse through the list to find the exact item or shop you need more information about. Once you've located the seller or product, click on either the product title or the shop name to go directly to the product page or the seller's shop page. On the right side of the page, you'll see the Contact button. This is your gateway to reaching out. Click on it to open the message box. In this text field, you'll compose your message to the seller. When writing your message, it's important to be as clear and concise as possible. State your inquiry or concern politely and provide any relevant details or specifics that can help the seller understand your question better. His will ensure a timely and helpful response. After composing your message, take a moment to review it for any errors or clarifications you might need to add. A well-composed message can make communication smoother and more effective. When you're satisfied with your message, press the Send button to deliver it straight to the seller. Now, you're all set. Your message has been sent successfully. Check your messages regularly for a response, which you'll find in your Etsy inbox. Sellers usually do their best to reply in a timely manner, but response times can vary, so a little patience might be needed. And that's it! You've learned how to send a message to a seller on Etsy, opening up the lines of communication for any queries you might have. Remember, effective communication can enhance your shopping experience and help you make informed decisions about your purchases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more useful how-tos and tips.